4, 3, 2, 1, ready, steady, for dust. 1, 2, 3, 4, look who's coming through the door. 5, 6, 7, 8, let's all say beauty mate. Let's ready, steady, for dust. Let's ready, steady, for dust. Let's ready, steady, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready, steady, for dust.
Oh, hello there. What's your name? What a beautiful name. Let's wave hello to each other. Ciao, hello. Ciao, hello. Bienvenuto to the Fordust show. Ciao, hello. Ciao, hello. It's so good to see you.
Here we are in the Fordust Kitchen. A place of food preparation, eating, good conversation, and where you can drink some water.
I love drinking water. I drink 2 big glasses when I wake up in the morning and regularly throughout the day.
Well, have a look at these bottles with water in them and listen to the different sounds they can make. The big bottle makes a little lower sound. The smaller bottle, a higher sound.
It's amazing how many different sounds there are in the
Fordust Kitchen.
But what have we here? What's this right here? That I can see? I'm not too sure what it could be. Can you see it? You can see it. Let's look closely at what it could be. Do you know what it could be?
It has 2 paddles to help you go, with a bow and a stern. It's a boat you row. I think you're right. It's a rowboat, you see. A rowboat. A rowboat. But what do you do with a rowboat?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
You know we love to row, rowing fast and slow. You know we love to row. Now give jumping a go.
Jump, jump, jumping now, jumping down the street. Merrily, 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 jumping with your feet. Jump, jump, jumping now, jumping down the street. Merrily, 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 jumping with your feet.
You know we love to jump, jumping in the air. You know we love to jump. Now we're stamping everywhere.
Stamp, stamp, stamp your feet, stamping down the street. Merrily, 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 stamping to the beat. Stamp, stamp, stamp your feet, stamping down the street. Merrily, 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 stamping to the beat.
You know we love to stamp, stamping down the street. You know we love to stamp. Now clap your hands to the beat.
Clap, clap, clap your hands, clapping to the song. Merrily, 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 let's all clap along. Clap, clap, clap your hands, clapping to the song. Merrily, 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 let's all clap along.
You know we love to clap. We love to clap along. Now let's row your boat back to the start of the song.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
We have this rowboat here, and if I put it on the table, it doesn't go anywhere. I have no idea how to make it move.
A rowboat that doesn't move. Now that is peculiar.
What to do? What to do? Gaddy, any suggestions?
Well, sometimes I'm trying to find the answer to a problem. I play the xylophone, and that helps me find the answer I'm looking for. I'm thinking I'm still thinking. I have the solution.
Gaddy, did playing the xylophone help you find the answer of what to do with a rowboat and how to make it move?
Yes, it did. The solution I came up with is for you to go and visit the dancing water police of Fordust Town. Their willing faces and friendly smiles will know what to do.
Ooh, good thinking, Gaddy. Let's go and see them now.
Hey. It's the Dancing Water Police of Fordust Town.
Dancing Water Police of Fordust Town, we found this rowboat in the
Fordust Kitchen.
And we have no idea how to make it move.
Well, you've come to the right place. We're here to help.
They're the Fordust Town Dancing Water Police. With a smile, they are here to please. Admiral, Captain, and the sailors too.
Come on, chaps, we've got some dancing to do.
Dance. They dance. Rap. They rap. Formed in 1871. They just dance and have lots of fun. Drinking tea, they say.
Let's dance, rap, jazz, or some jolly ballet.
You've got a problem you can't face. The water police are on the case.
We're jumping up, we're breaking it down. We're dancing water police of Fordust Town. They rap.
You've got a rowboat that just won't move. Put it in water, then bust a move.
You've got a rowboat that just won't move. Put it in water, then bust a move. Dance. They dance. Rap. They rap. They're the Fordust Town Dancing Water Police. With a smile, they are here to please.
Once again, the Dancing Water Police of Fordust Town have found a solution to our problem. Thank you, wonderful water police, because all we have to do is float the boat in water and it will move. Thank you, guys.
Hoppity, 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 hoppity. Water, whoa. Henry likes water, whoa. Splashing in his eight-legged pants. He's the king of the sea. Oh, yes, indeed, oh, yeah. Water, whoa. Henry likes water, whoa. Splashing in his eight-legged pants. Henry's the king of the sea. Oh, he's so much fun to splashing and splashing. Water in the sea is Henry's home, where he likes to swim around and be free. He swims past the fishes where he is known as the king of the sea. Water, whoa. Henry likes water, whoa. Splashing in his eight-legged pants. He's the king of the sea. Oh, yes. I love splashing and splashing. Oh, hey. Hopping in a king of the sea. Yes, king of the sea. That's my.
I have a tub here full of water, so if the Dancing Water Police of Fordust Town are right, when we put the boat in the water it will float and start to move.
Okay, here goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Look, the rowboat floats and it's moving.
Oh, guys, the Fordust Town Dancing Water Police really do float my boat. Wow.
It's time for goodbye. Let's start waving goodbye to you. This little song we've been saving just to sing for you. Waving goodbye, goodbye to you. Waving goodbye, waving goodbye. We'll see you soon. Beautiful, beautiful way. tired, do